Classification makes our study simple and systematic. Like any other objects, we classify sounds also. We consider some sounds as basic and some other sounds as non-basic. Basic and non-basic. Classification is done on two grounds. In every language, we find some sounds are similar. To avoid confusion, we offer one as basic and another one as non-basic. In English, we have vowels and consonants. The classification helps us to follow a sequence while presenting the sandpaper letters to the children. So which are the basic sounds? On what basis do we call that these are basic sounds? Vowels and one sound, one symbol is called as basic sounds. Wherever you have one sound and you show it with one symbol, that becomes a basic sound. When one symbol is used for one sound, we call them as basic. They conform themselves to the ideal alphabetic script. So non-basic sounds, what's the difference? If you consider one sound but consider you call it basic. One sound, many syllables. Two syllables. Echo. Sounds which do not follow sounds which do not follow the rule of one symbol for one sound are called as non-basic sounds. Example, look at the alphabet X. When you say X, it looks like it is made up of two sounds and S. Same way look at Q. It looks like it is made up of two sounds. Q and U. Same way you look at the letter C. C has two sounds. When you say circle, it is S. When you say cylinder, it is S. When you say circumference, it is S. When you say camel, it is K. When you say cat, it is K. When you say cabin, it is K. When you say cake, it is K. And the consonants are further divided into prolongables and explosives. The explosives are further divided into soft explosives and hard explosives. The example for some of the prolonged vowels are l. You know the explosives. B, d, g. Some of the explosives. B, d, g. These are explosives. You know the difference between the vowels and the consonants. Vowels are the sounds that are vibrated through our vocal cords without excising any other part of the mouth or lip. It is produced only by shaping our lips. Whereas consonants are also produced in the same manner as vowel, but other parts of the throat and mouth are used while producing the consonant.